Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly adjust the engine sound in Asphalt Legends on your iPhone or Android device. The roar of a supercar's engine is one of the things that makes Asphalt Legends feel fast, exciting, and more immersive. But if the engine sounds are too loud or too quiet compared to the music and other game effects, your racing experience might not feel quite right. Fortunately, Asphalt Legends lets you perfectly customize the audio settings to match your preferences. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to launch the Asphalt Legends game on your device, and then you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the Game Settings tab located at the top. And then you have to choose Sound and Display option. Now you have to hit the backward arrow located next to Engine option to decrease the engine sound. And if you want to increase it, just tap on the forward arrow. And once you have perfectly fine-tuned the engine sound in Asphalt Legends game, simply quit the game settings and that's about it. So that's how you can easily customize the engine sound in Asphalt Legends on your iOS or Android device. Tweaking this setting can make racing more immersive and help you create the audio experience that suits your personal play style. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your gameplay, and I'll catch you up in the next one.